Hey lads, I hope we're all keeping well. My name's Gavin and you might actually recognize me or know me from some of my other hair tutorials. 3 years ago, I made the how to get straight to textured hair in 3 minutes video and it's still my most popular one. So you guys obviously really love this style, but 3 years has passed and I thought I'd do an updated version. I have a few new techniques, new products as well. So this is it. This is the updated version. All the products I'll be using are from my own brand, Poseidon Hair. It's a business I set up almost 5 years ago now to help young lads achieve the most texture they can in their hair, basically achieve your dream hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna jump straight into it. The first step you're gonna wanna do is wet your hair. You can either just wet it under the tap or you can have a shower. I'm just gonna go wet it under the tap right now because I'm gonna have a shower later after gym and we'll come back when that's done. Okay, and before I start styling, I know I'm gonna get asked. This is the hairstyle I have. It's about 2 inches on the sides. I just got it cut the other day. And on the front, it comes down to like the middle of my eyes, between my eyes and my eyebrows. If you want your barber or hairdresser to do this as well, I would not recommend describing it. I get asked in every video, what do you say to your barber? Honestly, just bring a photo of what you want. It eliminates any chance of miscommunication. With that out of the way, we're gonna be going in with our first step. This step is new. We've got an argan oil hair treatment here. I'd say I use this maybe twice a week. It's really good for hair health, especially if you're like me and you're using heat and using products a lot. It's really gonna help strengthen your hair strands and protect it from any damage. So yeah, I'm just working it in. This is not a styling step at all. This is purely for hair health. And yeah, like I said, twice a week is absolutely plenty for this. Okay, my hair already feels way more hydrated, way better. We're gonna be going in with the first styling product. I've got the sea salt spray here from Poseidon Hair. This is actually our new packaging. You won't see this on the website yet. It's coming in like a month or two. But yeah, this step is pretty much the same as the last time, except instead of spraying it directly into my head, I'm gonna be spraying it into my hands first. I've done about 5 squirts there. You can do more, you can do less, totally personal preference. And I'm just rubbing it into my hands and same sort of scrunch motion. We're also gonna be kind of like massaging my head like this, really trying to use my fingers to break up the hair and create gaps in it. This is gonna create all that nice texture that we want. And yeah, just like before as well, if you want it to kind of protrude out and it's not doing that, you can just put a little bit more sea salt spray in and get it into the fringe here, this part, and kind of scrunch it out. Okay, that's looking pretty good. The next step is to use some sort of clay or cream. We've got 2 options here. We can either use a molding cream or we can use a clay. The molding cream has a higher hold, higher shine. So if you prefer a little bit of a shinier look, I recommend this. It's also better for slightly longer hair in my opinion, and it's got a lovely berry scent. The clay on the other hand is what I'll be using today. I find it better for shorter hair. It's got a nice coconut scent and it's got no shine. So I'm just gonna be taking about the size of a pea, something like that. I'm gonna be rubbing it in all over my hands. Some people just do the fingertips. You can do it if your hair is really short, but I prefer doing the hands. And just literally the exact same steps as with the sea salt spray, just massage and scrunch. And don't forget, don't just do the front as well. You know, get all around your head, kind of create a better holistic look. And I'm just scrunching it out in like that for the finishing touches. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Now from here, you can either do one of 2 things. Either 1, you can blow dry with a diffuser, or 2, you can let it air dry. The diffuser can definitely save you some time, but some people find it to be a hassle. I'm in Malta right now and it's a gorgeous day, so I'm just gonna let my hair air dry. So yeah, I'll be back to you when it's dry. Okay, that's actually looking really good. Genuinely better than I was expecting. Like you saw my hair, how straight it was, and now it almost looks like it could be naturally curly. So in my last video, I recommend putting a little bit of clay in once it's dry. I don't really do that anymore. If it works for you, you can keep doing it, but I just don't really see a point anymore. If you apply the clay properly while it's wet, you don't need to. But something I am still doing is I'm still using a little bit of texture powder to put into the back to give it a little bit more hold. So yeah, I'm just tapping it in here, just a little bit. That much is plenty, and then I'm just gonna give it a big scrunch front to back. Just until you can't see the powder anymore. And yep, I think this is looking pretty perfect to give you guys a spin. If you want to try this style for yourself at home, you totally can. All the products I use today are going to be linked in the first line of the description. By supporting Poseidon Hair Products, you allow me to keep making these tutorials for free. So if you do go on to support the brand, thank you so much. If the tutorial was helpful, make sure to leave a like. And if you want to see more styling tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I try to post a styling tutorial like this every week or 2. And also don't forget to let me know in the comments below what you think of this style and what one I should try next. I'm always open to suggestions. Other than that, that's everything for today. Thanks so much for watching the video and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.